Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful stationery holder.
Hello guys.
Isn't it beautiful, guys? So first we need these two big rolls and staple them together. So you put them like that, get the stapler, put it like that, staple them like that. Now we're going to do the same thing for the smaller rolls. So now guys, we need to staple these all together. Let's start painting our stationery holder. I decided to go for it in red because red is a more brighter color and it stands out. Finished painting the first coat and I want to let it dry, and then when it's finished drying I'm going to put another coat on it for the yellow one like I did to the red. I'm just doing the finishing touches of my project.